Welcome everyone. Today we are taking a quick but meaningful look at the BOSGAME P3 Mix Mini PC, a compact desktop that delivers serious power in a surprisingly small form factor. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this mini PC at the best price. This system is built around the AMD Ryzen 5 7640HS processor, offering strong performance that feels closer to a full-size desktop than a typical mini computer, and that immediately sets the tone for what this machine is capable of. With 6 cores and 12 threads boosting up to 5.0 GHz, everyday work feels fast and smooth, whether you are handling office tasks, coding, creative work, or even heavier workloads like 4K video editing and light 3D rendering. The integrated Radeon 760M graphics are a big highlight here, making casual to moderate gaming very playable and allowing creative applications to run without feeling sluggish. Paired with 32 GB of DDR5 memory, multitasking is effortless and switching between demanding apps feels instant. The 1TB PCIe Gen4 SSD further adds to that snappy experience, with fast boot times, quick file transfers, and plenty of space for games, media, and professional projects. Connectivity is another strong point. Triple display support with HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB 4 means productivity setups are easy, and USB 4 also opens the door for high-speed storage or even external GPU expansion. Dual 2.5G LAN ports, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2 provide excellent networking flexibility, especially for gamers, streamers, or home servers. On the downside, like most mini PCs, thermal headroom is limited compared to large towers, and there is no dedicated GPU inside the box. Still, considering the performance, size, and feature set, the value here is impressive. If you want a powerful, modern mini PC that can handle work, play, and everything in between, definitely check the link in the description below and see the current deal on the BOSGAME P3 Mix Mini PC.